Meet Trionda, the official match ball of the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Go Adidas! Introducing Trionda, the official match ball for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Named after the Spanish words for three and wave, tri and onda. Trionda symbolizes the unity of the three host nations, the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Some key features: innovative design, a vibrant red, green, and blue color scheme with a 4-panel construction inspired by the iconic La Ola wave representing the three host countries. Advanced technology. Equipment with connected ball technology featuring a 500 Hz motion sensor chip that produces real-time data to assist match officials, enhancing decision-making accuracy. Optimized performance. The ball surface includes strategically placed debossing for improved grip and stability. It's so cool, I can't even read. Ensuring consistent performance under various playing conditions. What? Trionda is more than just a ball. It's a symbol of innovation and unity, setting the stage for an unforgettable World Cup experience. This is 2025 How To Everything Sport, AI, and Personal Growth. This is our World Cup FIFA 2026 build up. My name is Stefan. Let's go!